Okay, so we're gonna try to randomize a static mesh. This could be like in the future if we had different enemies or different things that we needed to spawn, we can spawn a different type of object in our scene. So let's look at creating a blueprint. It's going to be an actor. And call this, oops, let's rename it really quick. Random Geo. Okay, so now that I have that, I also want to make sure that I have some geometry, and it needs to be static meshes for the way I'm going to be doing it right here. Just going to say import, and then basically I have a sphere and a box. They're called ball and door. Okay, so I want to be able to randomize which one of these is actually created. And, oh, this is causing an issue because I renamed it over here. Let me just delete this and start it over again. Blueprint, actor, rand, geo. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to go to the event graph and I'm going to add component. This is going to be a static mesh. Oh, not static mesh simulation. Sorry about that. Add component, static mesh. There we go. For this one, I'm not going to need any of these. All I'm going to need is the begin play. So what do I want to do here? I want to do a switch on int, and then over here I'm going to put a random value. So I need a random integer in range. So I have the random integer in range. It's going to be randomly generated, creating two switches here. And what I want to do here is set static mesh. So we have that. And then let's copy and paste these. So it's just Control C, Control V. Connect that there. And then on these, I just need to set one to be the ball and the other to be a door. Okay, let's compile this. Close out of here. Throw the blueprint into the scene. And then let's test it. So we're going to push play here. I got the ball this time. Have the ball again. Ball again. We are getting the ball over and over again. Are we going to get the door? Doesn't look like it. Let's see what's going on here. So it's on begin play. Oh, because we have a random range from 0 to 0. So make sure that when you do set the random range, we do increase it so that it has the range of on the switch. Okay, now let's try this. I got the ball, the ball, the ball. There we go. We finally got the door. Ball again, door, ball. I guess the ball pops up quite a bit. But the door should, in theory, be popping back in here at some point. I'm just getting really lucky and getting the ball over and over again. There we go. So now we have the door. That is how we go about randomizing a static mesh for a particular geometry. And I hope you guys found this useful. I'll see you guys in the next one.